Hello there, all my Nerfherders and Hermits. Today we've got a pretty cool thing for you. I recently did a leather wrap for my daughter's lightsaber. A company called DefConBird. They are on eBay. They offer all these different really cool variations of colors and weathering of these leather wraps that you can put on your lightsaber. Full grain leather, super soft, super smooth, feels great on the lightsaber. The one that it originally came with, it's kind of just this pleather band, more for like arts and crafts, not really something I wanted on the lightsaber. I kind of want something more real, something more in universe. So I took that off of there and put a brand new one on, and I want to show you guys the video and just have a look and see what you guys think. So here we go. Alright guys, so we have the lightsaber right here, and the wrap it came with, it was just kind of a basic, like, fake leather wrap. It already started to come off. I had to put this piece of electrical tape here to hold it together for her. So I decided I need to upgrade a little bit, give her something a little bit more personalized. I got a lot of these ideas from the Collector's Outpost video that I saw, and I'll put a link in the description. So let's go through supplies you guys need. We need a cutting board here, and then we'll need an X-Acto knife for the precision cuts. Then we'll need a marker here to do your marks for your measuring. Then some contact cement to kind of hold it all together. Some hockey stick tape. This has just got a nice grip to it, and this will be kind of what you'll lay down first. And then this cutting guide. This actually came with the leather. We're going to use this to kind of cut your ins and outs. And then of course the leather. I'll put a link in the description where I got this from. It is awesome leather. You guys should definitely get it for your lightsabers. And then also super glue. I didn't put it out here because I made this decision later to add it, just to give it a better stick. Alright, that's your supplies. Now let's get this all cleaned off here and we will get started with the next step. So next we're going to start unwrapping this old one, and we're going to speed this up. I'm not really this fast. And we have a nice clean lightsaber now for us to work with. So set that there. Then we'll get out the hockey tape. This is just going to kind of lay this down so that we don't get a bunch of gunk on our lightsaber. If you feel really confident, you can go without, but I kind of like the grip that the hockey tape has. You see me struggling a little bit with a string that did not want to give up. Just get that all nice and tightly wrapped on there. And I realized I forgot scissors, so you probably want to get some scissors. I use the X-Acto knife to cut it. Next, you're going to kind of do a mock wrap up here, just kind of get an idea. And like I said, I should have done some measure lines. I saw it in the original video. I just kind of forgot, but I should put some lines in between each space there to give you an idea how much space you need. That was where I kind of went wrong, but I think I covered it well enough. But there you'll now get the guideline out here to kind of make your initial cut in and out. This will give you a nice kind of even wrap. So then you're going to get your contact cement out and go ahead and just start applying it to the end. Don't go too gunky or you're going to leave like a big mess on your lightsaber and make it like discolored and stuff. So just go ahead and just apply that. And I want to kind of make sure you guys know have a nice like firm like grip on it as you're doing it, because it kind of really makes it look good when you have it like applied nice and tight on there. So this is where I make the decision to go ahead and start using super glue, because I realized I didn't think it was getting a good enough stick that I wanted it to get. So I figured maybe every kind of few inches just kind of put a little dab of the super glue just to make sure it's nice and secure on there. So just keep on rolling and we'll just watch me roll this thing up here. This is the point I kind of realized it wasn't laying quite flat. This is pretty thick leather, nothing wrong with it. It makes it really soft, but I made small little cuts that I kind of overlapped the leather on so you wouldn't even see them, just to make sure it lays nice and flat and it doesn't get bunched up anywhere. So then you just keep on going with the contact cement, just a little bit of super glue here and there, just a few cuts as you see it kind of getting a little bunched up in areas. And then this is kind of the point where I realized, oh crap, I mismeasured and this is definitely not going to make it. But when it comes to stuff like this, sometimes you make some mistakes and you just kind of got to figure it out on the fly. So I knew I was going to be doing some bead work for my daughter on this lightsaber near the pommel. So I figured, what if I took the old wrap and maybe incorporate a small piece of that into the bottom here where the beads are going to lie, and maybe kind of give that as kind of a background to the kind of rustic bead and leather cord. So I go ahead and just wrap a tiny piece there, just cut that off, and then there. So give that a nice squeeze, make sure everything's pressed nice and tight. We got it done. Let it cure for 24 hours and enjoy your new leather wrap. Alright guys, so as you see here, we have the new wrap on the lightsaber. There is the little fix I had there with the leather band we put right there, and as you see, there's the leather wrap. I think it looks really good. It's kind of got a little bit of a color change aspect to it. We're going to be doing eventually some beads that are actually going to go over this brown area here that I did. But yeah, I think it looks great. You guys should definitely check out this company. Like I said, DefConBird are the ones that make the wrap. The original idea of the video was from the Collector's Outpost. I'll also link both of those down in the description. Check out all his videos. Does tons of cool customizations to lightsabers. But yeah, guys, I definitely recommend doing this. It wasn't that big of a deal, wasn't that huge of an undertaking, and this thing is comfortable. It feels really good to grip, and my daughter loves it. So I'll be doing a few more customization videos for you guys. You guys can have a look, but yeah, see you guys next time. May the force be with you, and you guys have a great day. Bye.